Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on AI websites to design your room for free. In this video, I'll be showing you a few of the best AI-powered tools that can help you redesign your space without spending a dime. roomgpt.io. First up, let's talk about roomgpt.io. This website uses artificial intelligence to generate stunning interior and exterior design ideas. All you have to do is upload a photo of your space, and roomgpt will create a 3D rendering of your room with different design styles and furniture options. AI Room Planner website. Another great option is AI Room Planner. This tool also uses AI to generate 3D renderings of your room, but it gives you more control over the design process. You can choose from a variety of design styles, furniture, and accessories, and the AI will create a room that's perfect for you. Interior AI website. If you're on a budget, Interior AI is a great option. This tool offers a free trial that allows you to design one room. You'll be able to choose from a variety of design styles and furniture options, and the AI will generate a 2D or 3D rendering of your room. Planner 5D. Finally, Planner 5D is a free and easy-to-use room planner that allows you to create a 2D or 3D floor plan of your room. You can then add furniture, fixtures, and other elements to your plan. So those are a few of the best AI websites to design your room for free. With these tools, you can easily redesign your space without spending a dime. Thanks for watching.